Good morning, everybody. 11 Bravo 392. We have a quick update to my last video, which had an unboxing of Colorwerkz and their package that they sent with the DRL boards, Halos flow series, and an LED strip flow series that's Bluetooth controlled. I just want to say quickly that this is the second box that should have came. It did not come the first time. However, I quickly got on the phone and nice gentleman answered the phone promptly. I gave a picture of him of exactly what came in the box. He quickly identified what items that were still needed to come out to me, and literally as I was talking to him, he packed everything up. And I got this 2 days later from Friday. I made that phone call, and Monday it was here. In fact, I actually think this came on Sunday. So yay for the USPS for getting it moving over the weekend. Also, I ordered some rubber resealing glue for my headlights, because you're obviously going to need that if we're going to open up the headlights. We're going to have to seal them back up. So let's get to it. I already cracked this open because I wanted to make sure what was inside was inside. And what we have is some more flow extension wires, basically, so I can get a little longer reach with what I'm using in there. Let's see, I got 2 of those. Actually, oh yeah. So this is a big piece I was missing. This is the RGBW 4-to-1 splitter. So basically, if you could see it inside there, it's just 4 connectors that'll go to 1 that'll connect everything together. So basically kind of like a spider device. The Bluetooth remote and how to set everything up. Instructions in there, which is pretty nice. And this is the main component here. I'm going to open this up so you guys can see it. So this is actually a DC-DC converter. So there you go. So this is basically where everything's going to be hooking up here. 1, 2, 3, 5. So this has 5 off of it, and then 2 out, obviously hooking up to 1 to the fuse box, and the other out there, which is, yeah, your positive and negative. So that's a quick update to that. Hopefully, I'm looking at my schedule in about 2 weeks. I'm working a lot lately, so I'm not going to be able to get this in anytime soon. But in about 2 weeks, I'm going to attempt to do this. I'm going to do a full how-to video on taking off the bumper off the front bumper on my Dodge Charger. Complete how-to on that, step by step. I'm going to be taking out the headlights. I'm going to be baking this myself, opening them up. I'm going to be putting in everything, and I'm going to try and get as detailed as possible. Maybe I'll get one of those head harnesses for the GoPro here, so you can see up close, and I can use both of my hands, and that way you'll be able to see exactly from a point of view perspective that what to do, how to do it, and where things go. I don't expect myself to be perfect in this manner, but if we make mistakes, that's a part of doing it. So I'm going to try and get it done myself, and that's the fun part of doing this. So we're going to have a how-to, and then maybe one day you can do it yourself. So look forward to that. And also part 4 of Carlisle should be going up today. I'm going to be trying to finish up editing that. Hopefully this and part 4 of Carlisle Chrysler Nationals will be going up today. And big shout out to the Work Play Drive YouTube channel. Very nice of him to let me get an interview with him and check out his car. So shout out to that channel. Go subscribe and like to that, and we'll see you next time. So if you're into veterans and you're into cars, subscribe, like the videos, and check us out on Instagram, 11 Bravo 392. Peace.